everybody. So I'm sure you've probably gotten these phone calls before from these telemarketers trying to spam you about your car's warranty. I want to know if your car's warranty expired. Trying to reach in regards to your vehicle's warranty, which may have lapsed, and we want to help you. We want to help you renew coverage on your vehicle. I'm sure you've probably gotten those calls many times, those stupid robocalls. So I decided to have a little fun here. So with this home project, I've taken this old envelope and I just made a little message on there. We've been trying to reach you regarding your vehicle's extended warranty. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to actually be packing this letter into this heat pump. So this is the heat pump for the new home. It's going to be getting hooked up, and we're going to play a nice trick on the heat and air guy. He's a buddy of mine. So as you can see right here, I have stuck the note inside the wiring compartment on this unit, and we're going to have a little fun here. Let's see what his reaction is. Hey guys, so the heat and air man is here right now getting the unit hooked up. He hasn't yet opened up the panel to do the wiring, and I'm going to try to film the reaction he gets when he opens that panel and sees that note in there. So it's going to be so freaking hilarious. Okay everybody, so I was actually talking with the brick mason while he opened the panel, so I didn't get to film him open the panel, but let's see what his reaction was. Hey, did you notice anything funny in that unit?
Yeah, I just took a picture of it.
Oh yes.
Did you put it in there?
I sure did. I also put it in the energy. Also put it in the meter box when the power company came out and hook up power.
Yeah.
He left it. It was left laying on top of the box here. I was like, good, he left it.
Good,
I posted about it on Facebook. I said the heat and air man's next. Yeah.